how to use Instacart pickup versus delivery and which is best for you. If you are ordering some items or groceries via Instacart and you're wondering where can you actually go to get this to pick up manually, or how can this be delivered to your door? Now both of the options are pretty similar. The first thing is that if you sometimes meet the minimum order requirements, you will actually get a free delivery. So in that case, delivery will be best for you because you're not going to pick it up manually. Whereas if you're ordering small items and you're getting charged for every delivery, in that case it is wiser to go to a pickup instead. So delivery is best for convenience as groceries are brought to your door, while pickup is better for saving money and also ensuring the accuracy because you yourself go to the warehouse to pick up the items. So whatever else it is, if you're checking out on a certain item and you're going to the go to checkout option, in my case I'm getting a free delivery because I'm ordering more items, so you might want to look out for that as well. Not every time pickup could be the right solution. Sometimes they do offer free delivery as well. After you enter the country and the address that you'd like to be delivered or picked up from, you'll be able to choose the respective methods and check out using your payment method. So I hope this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.